personnel. If you have any questions about change and influence, tumawag lang po tayo sa 355-5535 or text us at 0939-923-6397. Bago tayo ay naririnig po sa Radyo 5 92.3 News FM and simulcast po sa Action TV. Mapapanood po nyo kami sa Free TV, Channel 41. In Cebu, Davao, we are Channel 29. Signal Cable, we are Channel 1. On Destiny Cable, Channel 7. On Sky Cable, we are on 59. Nakatandaan niyo ba lahat yun? We are also on Facebook. Just search Magbago Tayo and post your comments and messages, please. And we'll try to address and read them here. I also have a personal Facebook
I-record na
page.
yan.
Anthony M. Pangilinan.
O, ipipindot mo na
Public
dahil.
page, Anthony
Pindot mo
Pangilinan.
na.
And you can follow me at Twitter, at A. Pangilinan on Twitter.
Ayun.
Turo na tayo. Take down notes na sa Magbago Tayo Change 101. Isa pong karangalan na makatrabaho po ang aking mga partners in a company called Inspire Philippines. Kasama ko po dyan si R.D. Roberto, Butch Jimenez, and, of course, change expert and motivational speaker Francisco. May 6 na taon na po kaming partner sa isang negosyo. At hindi lang po negosyo, advocacy. Because we do a lot of pro bono work. It's a company called Inspire Philippines. Ang aming pong flagship program kung tatawagin, parang bandera ng aming kumpanya, ay ang Developing the Leader Within You. Kung paano pong huhubugin ang leader, ang pinuno sa isang tao, how to draw them out, and how to improve your leadership, the way you influence other people. That's called Developing the Leader Within You. At ang pinaka-importanting parte po ng programa yun, ang tinatawag namin 5 levels of leadership. How to go from level 1 to level 5. And that's what I'd like to share with you today. Ayon po kay Dr. John Maxwell, leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. Influensya po ang pamumuno. Nothing more. Wala pang higit doon, wala nang kailangan pang idagdag doon, walang kukulang doon. Influensya. So if you influence people, you lead people. And this is what's important to stress. Lahat po tayo leader na. Meron po kasi nakikinig dyan, nanonood dyan, iniisip pag leader na ako, pag na-promote na po ako, pag tumanda na ako, ngayon pala, leader ka na. Because even today, you're already influencing other people. Even if you're only influencing one person, kahit sa tao na, leader ka na. Kung nagdududa pa kayo na leader kayo, o may influence kayo, kung meron po kayong katabi ngayon, kurutinin niyo. At kung hindi niyo siya ma-influence sa kurutin niyo, hindi ko na alam kung tao ba yan. Which means you can do something to influence another person. At hindi po yan a matter of age or stage in life. Whether you are 85 years old, you can still influence. Kaya nga nandyan sina Nelson Mandela, nandyan sina Lee Kuan Yew, Fidel Ramos. These are strong influencers. Even if they're already in the latter years of their life. Ito na nga yung stage. Di ba? Parang ang wife. And you do not have to be too old. Kahit nga bata, lakas sa influensya eh. Do you know the number 1 influencer in our house today? The number 1 influencer in our house today is Solana, my 1-month-old daughter. Siya ang pinakamalakas na influensya sa pamilya namin, sa bahay namin. Sa opisina nga kahapon eh. Tama ba? Bumisita siya sa opisina namin for the first time. Wala na nagtrabaho. Nag-Facebook na lang. Nag-picture taking na lang. See? If you filled out that you are a leader, an influencer, remember how it is when a baby is able to influence everybody. Kaya nga ako din nakatulog ng isang buwan preparing for Ironman dahil po pag alas 3 ng umaga at nandiyan na si Solana at umiyak na o gusto na kumain magising ka na rin, di ba? Solana means sunshine. And she was my sunshine at 3 o'clock in the morning. That is influence. Leadership is influence. But the question here now is, ang tanong po ngayon ay, kung hindi ako leader, kung leader na nga pala ako, so anong issue? Dalawang issue yan. Nadadagdagan ba ang kakayahan mo to influence people? That's the first question. So, Irene, that's the question. Influensya mo ba nadadagdagan o napapawasan? That's the first question you ask yourself. Kasi marami po tayong kilala. Ang ganda sana ng influensya kahapon na wala ngayon dahil di nalagaan. Di ba? Ang pangalawang tanong, the second issue is, saan ka ba papunta? Dahil kung saan ang direction mo, saan ka papunta, diyan mo hindi na lahat eh. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihan ng mga anak mo o mga empleyado mo, o diyan kayo sa ang matuwid ha, ako dito. O hindi, kasi hihilahin sila sa kapapunta. Now, if you want to improve your influence, I'd like to offer John Maxwell's 5 levels. At ilan libo na pong tao na bago dahil po sa 5 levels of leadership na ito. Can we show it on screen? The 5 levels of leadership. What is the first level of leadership? The first level of leadership is position. Okay? Isa-isa na natin ha. Ito raw ang pinakamababa. If you want people to listen to you, if you want people to follow you, if you want people to march, parang sundalo, nakakatulong kung may position ka. Okay? You have that on screen. Position. At ang ginagamit mo raw, the word is right, the operative word, karapatan. So the lowest level, the first level of leadership is position. And normally, the position is given to you. Binibigay po sa atin yan ng kumpanya. Diba? For example, binigay po sa amin ni Cherry at ni Ma'am Lucy ang posisyon na to kung saan ako nag-a-anchor ngayon. So, I was given the position by the company. Pero hindi na po kumpanya. God gives you the position. Diba? Ginawa ka niyang magulang. So, He gave you the position to lead and influence your children. So, the company can give it to you. Pinoy can give you the position pag na-appoint kang isang secretary. Diba? Sa gobyerno. So, thousands upon thousands of government personnel are employed by, appointed by Pinoy. So, the position is given to you. Hindi po naman mali ang posisyon, hindi lang sa sapat. It is limited. So when you tell your children, halimbawa, mga anak, susunod kayo sa akin dahil akong nanay niyo. Diba? You are using your position. O kung isa kang general at sinabi sa sundalo, follow me right now. Diba? Diba? O 20 push-ups. Ganyan. They will follow you because of your position. But you know what? They will not always follow you just because you have position. At alam natin yan sa mga bata, minsan pasawa yan, minsan rebelde yan. Kung pweres ang gagamitin mo, kung panay karapatan lang ang gagamitin mo, hindi sapat yan, kulang yan. So, it is not wrong, but it is limited. If you want more influence, madagdagan pa ang leadership ninyo, you have to go to the next level. Do not be satisfied with position. The next level, also starting with the letter P, is permission. Yan po yung pangalawa. Permission, dahil binibigyan ka ng permiso ng tao dahil meron kang relationship with them. Maganda ang inyong samahan. Meron pong sinabi ni John Maxwell that those who get along with you will go along with you. Those who get along with you will go along with you. Kapag nagkakasundo kayo ng leader mo, susundan mo siya. Diba? Marunong kang makisama, sasamahan ka. I think it was last week that we had Paco Magsaysay. His father, his grandfather especially, our president, Ramon Magsaysay, known for pakikisama, marunong sa tao, known the common man, diba? And because of that, he was well loved, no? By the Filipinos. Kaso nga lang, early death because of a plane crash. But he had the permission of people to lead them because he had relationship. Leaders, remember this, leaders touch a heart, puso muna, before they ask for a hand. Bago po hingi ng kamay, puso muna. Diba? When you touch a heart, then you can ask for the hand. Saka mo silang imbitay sa trabaho o sa gawain, kailangan puso muna. So level 2 leadership, if you want more influence, is leadership by permission or relationship. Do you want more influence? Dadagdagan mo pa. Gusto mo pa madagdagan ang iyong kakayahang mag-lead ng tao? Go to level 3. Hindi lang po sapat ang posisyon or permission. Go to what is called production leadership. Production. Resulta. You have to produce. Kailangan meron kang benta. Diba? Kailangan magandang programa. Kailangan makikita. Iba kasi, pag panay talk, wala naman tutok. Sabihin, diba? All talk, no tutok. Sa college pa lang po ako, nasa isang grupo ako called ISEC. Association Internationale de l'Étudiant en Sciences Économiques et Commerciales. That is French. For the International Association of Students Engaged in Business and Economics. And we would attend seminars. Hindi ko kakalimutan yung isang acronym PAUL. Sabi sa amin, you have to be like Paul if you're going to succeed in business. Ano yung Paul? 4 lang yan. Pawis, apog, utak, at laway. Pawis, apog, utak, at laway at lalabas ang resulta. Diba? So, hindi pwede panay plano lang. Hindi pwede panay speech lang. Diba? Kailangan, trabahuin mo at gumawa ka ng resulta. And then people will follow you because of what you have done for the company, what you have done for the group. Kung meron kang boss, matagal na. Okay ang inyong samahan. Pero wala namang resulta. Lapitan niyo po ang boss niyo bukas at sabi niyo, boss, pwede ba friends na lang tayo? Diba? I-friend mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Dahil hindi ka aangat sa buhay kung ang leader na sinusundan mo walang resulta sa trabaho. Level 3, if you want people to follow you, is production. Kailangan may resulta. But if you want more results, if you want more output, greater productivity, ito na. At ito na, dito na ibang maraming leader, no? You have to go to level 4 na hindi po pinapasukan ng marami. Ang tao po sa level 4, more influence, is people development. Reproduction. When you develop other leaders around you. Hindi po yung reproduction ni Maricel, no? Na nagre-reproduce po ng bata. Iba po yun. Pero nakakatulong din yun kung huhubugin mo yung mga anak mo to become leaders. Pero ang ibig natin sabihin dito, reproduction, ay reproducing other influencers below you. Na hindi lang po ikaw magiging leader, gagawa ka pa ng ibang leader. Hindi po kontento na matuklasan at hubugin ang sariling kakayahan. Ang mga leader, hinahanap, tinutuklasan, pinag-aaralan, inuhubog ang kakayahan ng isa. What is greater than ability in English, sabi ni Robert Half? What is greater than ability? The ability to recognize ability. Hindi lang po kakayahan mo, pero nakikita mo kakayahan ng iba. Nilalabas mo yon, di ba? And you develop that. And then they will begin to produce for you. If you want explosive growth, hindi lang po addition sa ating benta, hindi lang po addition sa ating kita sa negosyo. If you want multiplication, hindi lang addition, you have to reproduce other leaders. At dito, yung sinabi ko kayo na importante yung tutok. Dahil ipapasa mo ang kaalaman mo, you will pass on your skills, yung kakayahan mo, you will empower them, and they will produce for you. At ang maganda dyan is, when they also reproduce, nako, may apo ka na. Diba? So you do not only produce a leader, the leader reproduces other leaders. This is the secret, for example, of people like Jesus Christ when he was here on earth. Isa siya, pero tumutok siya sa 3, tapos tinutukan niya ang 12. Hindi naman lahat tinutukan di ba? He had a group of 12 disciples. He reproduced himself in them. He passed on his skills, his attitude, yung kanyang values, and eventually his own spirit. Diba? Pinasa niya ang kanyang banal na espiritu dun sa 12 yon. And today, from 12, he has almost 4 billion followers and leaders. If that is not working smarter, diba? Hindi ko na alam kung ano. Jesus did not just work harder, he worked smarter and very productive. Finally, level 5 na tayo. If you do level 2, 3, 4, pag ginawa natin yan over time, Diba? We are producing results, developing relationships, we're producing other leaders. Someday, it's not the company that will give it to you. Your people will give you level 5 leadership. They will put you on a personhood pinnacle, highest position possible of leadership, which is the pinnacle or personhood level. And they do this because they respect you. Respeto na. Diba? Because you have done it for so long. Ilang taon mo nang ginagawa. For so many, napakaraming tao at grupo. It's not the company that will give you level 5. The people around you, below you, the people across you, at above you also will put you on level 5. And that is when it is most fulfilling because you start seeing other leaders, reproduce other leaders. And it's not just about money. It's also about having passed on values, meaning, and purpose in the lives of others. Natutuwa ako sa mga anak ko ngayon. Kasi parang nakikita ko yun na Maricel and I have been spending time with them, training them, of course, teaching them. Ngayon, ginagawa nila para kay Solana. Sila na ngayon ang atit kuya. Kasi ang problema namin nung nanganak si Maricel, first 5 years namin, sunod-sunod yun 4. Diba? So, they never saw a baby. There was always a baby. There was another baby. Ngayon lang po silang matanda na, 15, 13, 12, that they see a baby in the house. At nakakatawa when you watch them. When they start doing to Solana, the positive things that were done to them by Maricel. And now, I can see Maricel, in their eyes, was level 5. Somebody they respect very much. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wish you level 5 leadership someday in your life. That is Change 101 from John Maxwell's 5 level of leadership, developing the leader within you. Dito lang po sa Change 101. Pagbalik po natin, ang ating guest. Kasama po natin si General Alex Monteagudo, Colonel Teresita Sid, and Niels Reconilla. Ang pagbabago na nangyayari sa ating kapulisan at sa ating gobyerno. Naituro na po natin ang 5 levels of leadership. We will tell their story and we will hear their testimony. Huwag po kayong aalis. Babalik po magbago tayo with a change champion and our taste of change.
Ang hinihingi ng larangang ito, arugalang